Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, believe it or not, we have yet another update rolling out for Edge version 114, which is the latest stable release, very soon to be upgraded to version 115, possibly from Thursday later on this week, as I have mentioned previously. Now, this once again is another maintenance update that rolls out bug and performance fixes for Edge for desktop. And this is now, I think, the 7th bug fix update that has been made available. And if you'd like to double check if you have the update, we head to the main menu, Help, About Microsoft Edge. And once again, after this latest update has been applied, the version and build is now bumped up to version 114.0.1823. And the point release has been moved up from 0.82 to 0.86. So once again, it's just a point release. And if you're not seeing the update, Microsoft does say it will roll out progressively over one or more days, which is common for these point release updates. And once again, no information is given from Microsoft. So they have fixed various bugs and performance issues according to the actual release notes for this stable channel update. So as I always do suggest, if you have experienced any issues since upgrading to version 114, then just do yourself a favor, double check. It doesn't take very long, a couple of seconds. Just double check you have the update. And I certainly hope, though, that version 115, as mentioned, which is going to be rolling out over the next couple of days, is going to have less issues than version 114, because as mentioned, over and above one or two security updates that have been made available for version 114, this is now the 7th point release update that has been made available. So obviously Microsoft battling to address issues in this latest stable release. And once again, I have had a quick look around the browser. I'm not noticing any new features at this stage, and I wouldn't think that Microsoft would add any new features this close to a major version upgrade. But nonetheless, just letting you know that bug fix and performance fix update is now available. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.